Hi guys, I think we're here. Hey guys, I think we're here and look at Cedric onto that spliff thingy. See? He's going to the secret room where I just fell out because of that glowstone thing. Okay. This is how you get to the top of the cafe and some hidden things in SG games. Okay. Some some games in here
I think if you get in here, you're
definitely will blow your mind.
Punch!
Told you. There's
Look where I am.
Yeah, I think Cedric falls because he doesn't listen to the prophecy.
Prophecy.
I think we're gonna start it all over again.
Your head is gonna get blown up.
And I think I'm getting pissed off because I'm glitching in here. See that is glitching.
Oh, I made it.
See that is a glitch, you know. I just get back.
Look up, you. Look up, man.
See?
Look up. Kenzo, look up.
Oh yeah. Plus this is us, this is Cedric, and this is Kenzo. We're the PH Warriors, but some Warriors in here is not online right now. So I think Cedric will outrun me right now, or he will watch me fail. Son of a wrench. Peaceful, peaceful. I hope you fall. I hope you fall. Oh, Helen Alice, good for him.
Oh, look at mine.
I hate this, Cedric. This is why I hate Cedric. He's pissing me off every day. See? That's how you glitch.
Look, Kenzo, he's very mad at me. He's so mad.
Okay, I hate this
Look
place.
at my butt. Look at my butt, bro. Look at my butt.
I think I hating this video. Call if I don't get in here. Ah! I'm getting pretty bored. Ah! Now there's getting. Oh, look. It's my birthday, 22. I love you. This is all about her. I think this thing will be a time for patience. Okay. I cut this video because we're pretty not good at that thing, okay? I think Cedric is invisible. Where is she? Okay. This is a warning, guys. When you go in here, don't go at the middle. Go at the side, okay? Just don't go to the middle, okay? That if you go to the middle, you will teleported to the other dimensional, and you can go in here or go to there to the split like this, and that will be a really bad idea because yeah, this I know it. There's what Cedric is doing that I think I can, but I think I'm stuck in here. I think yes, and there. The war and save.
You are invisible.
No, I'm not. You're invisible. Can you see Cedric? Because I can't see anything.
I'm gonna back for a second because I'm busy. I see you now. There's a little kitty Kenzo.
I think I can't do it because I'm so alarming. Cedric, how did you do it?
It's easy. Wait for me. I'm gonna show to you.
This is a secret. It's the SG highways. Ah!
Wait!
Okay, we're just wasting our time in here. We should be going. This is how to climb up in the cafe, okay? You will just wasting your time in there. If you do make it in here, just go in here at the sides.
You're just wasting your time in there. But
In here.
we gonna
Here.
show to you. We gonna show to you.
In our last updates, the cake is, you know, no bites, no bitey bites, and I think in this update, we have a half cake, okay? But the bad thing is you can't eat it. We've got a monster in there. See that monster? You will climb out of it.
Look, it's creepy.
At the end, right?
We are in that.
We're in there. This is it. Voila. You can do anything in here, but this... Whoa, I think this sound step is... It's mouth, okay?
Look,
Okay.
his teeth is
That's Cedric, okay? Okay, now we're gonna go in. So this is where you can prank someone in here. So just say, hey, look, I'm at there. Free beef at the top of the cafe. Now we're next going is to the maze.
We have a teeth in there.
Yeah, we have it in the maze. We're just going in here, like the stuck at the, you know, the bushes, and you know, like that. But I think we will Cedric can just dig up and there. The writing sinner will be, you did it, you're amazing God. We hope you enjoy our servers. Thank a life team, okay? This is how you pack up your lunch. Oh, I think Cedric is here. You can do in here, in there, everywhere, but this is the highest of them all. Remember guys, you can't jump in there, but I think you can jump in here.
Yeah, I can do it.
Yeah, and I can do it either.
Look at me.
See that?
I'm gonna do this.
This is one of the things.
Look, I think you can go in the top of the.
See that? But I can do that. Okay, this is a prank, you know. This thing is real, okay? This thing is real, this sign. An all new lifeboat lobby coming soon after Halloween. Hi. But this is a prank, you know. That thing that enters the witch's head. Okay, I'm gonna enter it, but oh, I think I've been kicked out. But I think that's a trap. That's all for now, okay? Goodbye.